Welcome to our channel. Here we are going to make delicious recipes for chia pudding. We know its importance because it is a good source of protein, rich in fiber and gluten-free. Plus, they're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory benefits. With how much chia to use each day, it's smart to stick to a serving size of 2 tablespoons. You may want to break this up throughout the day, adding a teaspoon or 2 to your smoothie, another teaspoon into your mid-morning yogurt, and the rest in recipes like chia pudding. Let's make chia pudding for a week.